Joe from Tash Tyres. I've got a Vauxhall Astra H here on a 2007. Just doing a main dip beam on this. The passenger side working, the driver side isn't. To get to it, usually you do it from here, but it's quite difficult to get through to put under the bonnet. So all you do, if I just switch the ignition off, lights off, all you do, you've got a cover here. If you turn the steering wheel more towards the left, if you're doing the driver's side one, undo this cover right here, take this, push this cover, pull this cover, or somehow just get it stuck somewhere around on top of the tyre, so it's out the way. So that's it, it's out the way now. Right, somebody's already tried this, but that's the cover, I'm assuming, for the bulb holder right there. Now as you can see the bulb, so you've got the lug on the right hand side, and then you've got the lug on the left hand side just under the screw. So you need to, right, so all you do then is, if I just zoom out a little bit, I twist that to my left and then take the whole thing out. Now that's the basically bulb we're looking at now. So it's a H7 bulb. There's only one way the bulb would go. So you've got the H7 right here. H7 right here, so get the bulb out, make sure I don't, never hold the bulb from the lens, always hold it from the back. And then by removing this one as well, as you can see here, there's a little lug right here, so you pull the bulb out, and there's only one way the bulb would go in. So that little lug there, that's a stop point. So when I put the bulb in, I can't put the bulb in like this. It has to go in sort of this way, so it sits in nicely. Okay, once it's in, I then I'm gonna have to slot it through. So you've got these two little screws right there, where the lug of where these little lugs here, where is it gone? I'm just zoomed quite in, haven't I? Yeah, these little lugs here, they're sitting there. So I'm going to push it right inside and then twist it to my right. As you can see right there now, I've done it. So if you see the top right hand side there where the screw is, so that's how the bulb should sit in. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Make sure you put everything back together as well. So these wires, they push back in. So then you've got the cover that goes in, and then you've got this cover that goes in as well, and that's it. Anything else you need to know, there is a playlist for an Astra, for a Vauxhall basically, how to reset the service light, bulbs, rear tail lights. Do check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the videos. Thank you, goodbye.